Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to rotate drawing using UCS in Layout Viewport. In AutoCAD, rotating the actual geometry of a drawing is not always the best solution, especially when working with layouts and plotting. Professional CAD workflows often use the UCS, User Coordinate System, together with Viewport controls to rotate the view of the drawing instead of rotating the objects themselves. This keeps the geometry accurate, while allowing the layout to display the drawing at the correct orientation for printing or presentation. UCS stands for User Coordinate System. The UCS controls drawing orientation, X and Y drawing directions, working plane alignment, and coordinate behavior. Changing the UCS allows you to work comfortably at different angles, align drawings properly, rotate the working view without rotating geometry. This workflow rotates the viewport view and not necessarily the actual drawing objects themselves. Why this matters? Your geometry stays mathematically unchanged while the displayed orientation changes. This is safer and cleaner for professional plotting. Start by opening AutoCAD, then open your drawing project. Go to the Layout tab of your drawing. What the Layout page is. The Layout page is the plotting and sheet presentation environment. Double-click inside the drawing viewport. What this does, you are now editing the viewport view directly. This switches you into viewport editing mode. Important clarification, if you don't activate the viewport first, UCS changes may not affect the intended viewport correctly. Now go to the command line, type UCS, then press enter. AutoCAD activates the User Coordinate System command. Now pinpoint the points in the drawing that define the new orientation. Here, you are redefining the coordinate alignment direction based on selected geometry. After selecting the required points, press enter. The UCS is now rotated and aligned to the direction you specified. Important clarification. At this stage, the UCS changes internally, but the viewport view itself may not rotate yet. That's why the plan command becomes necessary next. Now type plan, then press enter. What the plan command does. The plan command aligns the current view perpendicular to the active UCS. From the options, choose Current UCS. What happens after choosing Current UCS? The viewport rotates to align with the new UCS orientation. Your drawing now appears rotated correctly inside the layout viewport. Important clarification. Again, the geometry itself has not been physically rotated, only the viewport view orientation changed. What you just did, you activated a layout viewport, reoriented the user coordinate system, used plan to align the view, and rotated the displayed drawing view professionally. You rotated the viewing orientation instead of altering the actual drafting geometry. To summarize, rotating a drawing using UCS in a layout viewport begins by opening AutoCAD and switching to the layout page. After entering viewport mode by double-clicking inside the viewport, typing UCS in the command line activates the User Coordinate System command. By selecting points that define the new orientation and pressing enter, the UCS alignment changes. Then, typing plan and selecting the current UCS option aligns the viewport view with the newly rotated UCS, causing the drawing to visually rotate inside the layout viewport without rotating the actual geometry itself. And that's how to rotate a drawing using UCS in a layout viewport in AutoCAD. The key thing to understand is that professional CAD workflows often separate the model from the presentation. Instead of rotating the actual drawing objects, rotating the viewport view through UCS keeps your geometry cleaner, safer, and much easier to manage. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.